turns the wheels. How it moves, this is the back motor which spins these two wheels. It spins this gear, which spins this smaller gear, which spins this gear, which spins this, and spins the back wheels. We have to stop now. I would like to give it to my friend Rushan.
Now with this robot I am going to explain what is speed, velocity and accelerations. Speed is the an object moves in a straight line. Velocity is how fast an object moves in a certain direction. How fast
Any example for velocity?
Velocity, when the bowler bowls and then the batsman hits a six, it goes in a certain direction and then it goes for a six, so that is velocity. Then now acceleration is how fast an object moves in a certain direction with decrease of speed and increase of speed. I like to hand it to my friend Nepal, who would like to explain the code of this robot.
So the code we made is we set the motor or the gear motor which spins the back wheels and spins the whole car to 15%, which means it will spin half fast of what we did before. Then we start the motor clockwise, which means that the car will move forward starting. Then what we've done is we set the speed to 120% per day so that it can charge when it senses an object more quickly. So then what we've done is we've added a forever loop, and in that forever loop we've put an if says or then statement. So what we've done is we've put an ultrasonic sensor code which tells that if the distance is less than 50 centimeter, then A will run clockwise for 20 rotations, which means it will turn slightly. Then it says it will wait until the distance is greater than 50 centimeters. So that means if the limit passes 50 centimeters, it will only turn. Then we put A, which will run counterclockwise for 20 rotations, which means it will turn also backwards, and then we set the speed to 100%.
I already explained my project.
So it has a AI feature in it, so it can sense and avoid the obstacles.